5 reasons investors aren't interested in your business and how to fix it. Ever wonder why investors aren't lining up to back your business? You might be overlooking some key factors that are turning them away. In my experience as both an entrepreneur and an investor, I've seen the same mistakes pop up time and time again. Today, I'm going to break down the top 5 reasons why investors might be passing on your business and, more importantly, how you can turn things around and make your business irresistible to them. Hi, my name is Lucia Donovan, but you can call me Lou. I started my first business at 19, and now I run and own 6 businesses, one of which I help entrepreneurs just like you set the foundation for their business. By the end of this video, you will be armed with some practical tips and advice for attracting investors from an investor. So let's jump right in. Today, I'm going to give you a sneak peek into the mind of an investor. If you've been looking to attract funding for your business, this is for you. I'm about to break down what investors look for so you can be fully prepared and stand out when it's your turn to pitch. The first thing to understand is that investors are taking a risk with their money, and their ultimate goal is to see a return on that investment. With that in mind, here's what we want to see from you. Number 1, know your numbers, inside and out. Investors want to know that you're financially savvy. Can you explain your profit margins, cash flow, and projections? Can you back them up with actual data? If you can't confidently explain how your business makes money now or how it will in the future, that's a huge red flag for us. We're looking for businesses that have a clear path to profitability. Practice going over your financials until you can explain them simply and confidently. If you get lost in the details, your pitch might as well be over. Number 2, show that you understand your market. Investors want to see that you've done your research and you truly understand your industry, your competitors, and most importantly, your customers. Do you have a clear picture of your target audience? Do you know what makes them buy or what makes them hesitate? Show us how your product or service solves a real problem and why now is the right time for your business. Knowing your market also means you can talk about the competition. Investors don't mind if you have competitors. In fact, it shows there's demand. But what makes you different? That's the key. Number 3, prove you got the right team. We don't just invest in products or ideas, we invest in people. Your team is the engine that will drive this business to success. What experience do you or your team members bring to the table? Have you weathered storms together? Can you execute on your vision? We love hearing stories of how you overcome challenges and pivoted when necessary. Resilience is everything in business. Remember, investors know that businesses will face bumps in the road. We're not looking for perfection. We're looking for people who can adapt and stay the course. Number 4, be clear about how much money you need and how you will use it. Make sure you are specific. We don't like generalities. Investors want to see that you've thought through how their investment will make a difference. Are you using the funds to hire new talent, scale your marketing, or invest in new technology? Make sure you've broken down where the money's going and how it's going to help you hit your next big milestone. Overall, remember, investors need to see that their money is being used efficiently and effectively. Every dollar should have a purpose. And finally, number 5, show passion and vision, but stay grounded in reality. Investors want to know that you're driven and that you believe in what you're doing. Your passion is contagious and we want to feel it. However, don't let your enthusiasm cloud your judgment. You've got to stay grounded in your business plan and be realistic about the challenges ahead. We want you to show us that you have a vision for the future, but also a roadmap to get there. We also want to see that you're prepared for the journey, and that includes the ups and downs. At the end of the day, attracting investors is about building trust. We want to believe that you not only have a great idea, but that you're the right person to execute it with. Remember, know your numbers, understand your market, highlight your team, be clear about how you'll use the funds, and show your passion while staying realistic. If you follow these tips, you'll be well on your way to securing that investment. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and be sure to subscribe for more tips on how to grow and scale your business. Good luck with your next pitch. I know you got this.